Now, please welcome on stage Wodan AI.
Every orchestra needs to play together. But imagine, every musician is blindfolded. Even the conductor is blindfolded. And still, the music sounds good together. Sounds impossible, right? Well, imagine, across industries, everyone is trying to play together. Banks with fintechs, and healthcare with researchers, manufacturers with their partners, and they are often told they have to choose innovation or safety, speed or privacy, and sharing or sovereignty. And they hesitate, they hold back, and they settle for less. We're about to change just that. Because in those collaborations, data doesn't leak from the vault. It leaks from runtimes like AI models. It leaks from clouds, from vendor stacks. And that's where trust is broken. Wodan will change that trust level forever. Wodan is the platform for secure runtimes. We encrypt data in use, like in AI models, and we never ever decrypt it. Much like the blindfolded orchestra, remember? We allow to use data encrypted for AI models and other applications. So with that, you choose the key, and we are the director to make the orchestra play. My name is Bob, and I'm the co-founder of Wodan AI. And I believe security and innovation should not play in different keys. We can make them sound together if we both do the effort. If you're interested in hearing your organization, your orchestra play at full strength, then come see me or reach out to wodan.ai.